Today, I am going to explain one topic, that is lens maker's formula. I am going to derive the lens maker's formula. For that, what we have to do it here, we have to take a lens. Let us consider this is a lens. It is a convex lens. This lens is kept in a medium whose refractive index is mu1. Okay, this is the lens whose refractive index is considered as the new lens. Generally, the lens is made with the glass. Its refractive index we can consider as new lens or the new 2 we can consider. And this lens is kept in a medium, right? And that we can its refractive index consider as new 1. And now this lens maker formula I am going to derive. And this lens has the two curved surfaces. So this is the first surface and this is the second surface. Two convex surfaces. And corresponding to these two surfaces, there are two spheres and two radius of curvatures are there. And corresponding to the left one first surface, the sphere will be right side, it will forms. And its radius will be R1. Corresponding to second surface, the sphere will be left side will be forms. Left side forms its radius of curvature we can consider as R2. Now, let us take one object at here. Let us consider this is the O is an object that is in the new one medium. Okay. And from the object the light ray will be started that is incident on the first surface. At the first surface refraction occurs and first surface forms the image at the first surface the light ray bends and it forms the image at I1. First surface forms the image at I1. Actually, one thing it happens. This lens has the two surfaces, first and second. O is an object, then for the first surface forms the image of object O in the lens medium. And this image will act as object for the second surface. That means O is an object, original object. For the first surface it act as for the first surface it act as object. We can take this the first surface. Okay, this is totally lens medium we will take. And now the object is O at here. From the object the light started. And after the refraction it will forms the image at I1. Okay. That means the object is in nu1 medium and the image is in nu2 medium. This image forms in the lens medium, that is I1, that is formed by that is formed due to the refraction at the first surface. This image will act as object for the second surface. This image will act as object for the second surface. Then the second surface, right? Second surface forms the image of the first object. The second surface forms the image. Okay, and then it will be like this there. Okay, you one thing you should remember. O is an object which is a new one medium, and first surface forms the image of object O in lens medium, that is in nu2 medium, that is I1. But actually in the figure we are representing in nu1 medium, but this I1 is actually in the lens medium. This I1 is again act as object. Okay, this I1 will act as object and for the second surface, and the second surface forms the image. Second surface forms the image at I. this I is called as the final image. Okay, now if you take the distances at here, look at here very carefully, and original object is O, its distance from the optical center we can consider as U, and the final image is I. Okay, final image is I, that is formed in the Newen medium, and its distance we can take as B. Okay, final image distance we can take as B, and in the middle there is a one more image forms that we can take as its distance we can take as V1. Okay, now refraction at the first surface we will write one formula, right? Refraction at surface surface, refraction of light at first surface. How the refraction occurs at the first surface? And look at here, just if you want to draw the diagram or anything, right? And this is the first surface. Look at here, we have to take on the right side, this is totally first surface is the convex surface, and then we have to take this as the lens medium, and the second surface is very far away, and now this is the principal axis. If you take the object is O at here, then its image will be forms at I1, right? And U is the object distance, and V1 is the image distance, that we know. Now, based on this refraction at first surface, for the first surface, object is what? Object is O, which is in Newen medium. Okay, which is in a medium whose refractive index is Newen. And first surface forms the image. First surface forms image I1 in Nu2 medium. Okay, right. Object is in Newen medium and image is in Nu2 medium. And object distance is what? Okay, O is an object and I1 is the image. Then we know refraction to spherical surface formula that we know. What is that? Minus Nu1 by U. First surface we can take as one spherical surface. Then we have to apply that formula, minus Nu1 by U plus Nu2 by V is equal to, write as Nu2 minus Nu1 by R we have to write. And according to this formula, the previously we derived, this we apply it here for the first surface. Now the Nu1 is the refractive index of the first medium, that is in the air medium. Okay, right. Nu1 by U plus Nu2 by V. Okay, object distance is U, that's well we wrote U only. Object is in U1 medium, that's well we wrote U1, there is no problem. But the image distance is V1, that's well instead of V we have to write V1 is equal, we write as Nu2 minus Nu1 by R is the radius of curvature. For the first surface we can consider as the radius of curvature is R1. This is equation 1. Now refraction at second surface we have to write. Refraction at second surface. The same formula we have to apply it here. Then further purpose, what we have to do it here, just we have to take which is the object and which is image and where it is. For the second surface, object is I1, right? Object is I1. Image forms by the first surface. Object is I1, okay, which is in Nu2 medium. Which is in Nu2 medium. And second surface forms the image. Second surface forms its image at I in nu1 medium. What happening at here? Previously object is in nu1 medium. Okay, for the first surface object is in nu1 medium, image is in nu2 medium, but here object is in nu2 medium and image is in nu1 medium. Then what we have to write? How to write the equations? And here we have to write the new one is replaced with the new two, and the new two is replaced with the new one. We have to exchange. Then equation will become like this, that is minus new one by new one. Object is in not new one medium, it is in new two medium, minus new two by, okay, this is the basic formula, minus new one by u. But object, here we have the formula minus new one by u plus nu 2 by v is equal, we have nu 2 minus nu 1 by r. But in this, r is the radius of curvature. The radius of curvature is u is object distance. Object is in which medium? We have to write in the numerator, that is nu 1. But here object is in nu 2 medium, that's why nu 2. Object distance is I1 distance, because object is I1. Object A1 distance is V1, that means u is replaced with the V1. And then image is in nu 1 medium. Okay, and image is what? Image is I, right? Image is I. Okay, I1 is the object for the second surface and it forms the image at I, and image distance is V is equal to nu 2 is replaced with nu 1 and nu 1 is replaced with the nu 2, because the mediums are changed. Radius of curvature is r2. This is equation 2. And the next step, what we have to do, we have to add these two equations. When we add these two equations, what you will get? Minus nu 1 by u plus nu 2 by v. When we add these equations, we will get minus nu 1 by u plus nu 2 by v1 minus nu 2 by v1 plus nu 1 by v is equal to, we have to write nu 2 minus nu 1 by r1 plus nu 1 minus nu 2 by r2 we will get. Okay, the last step. And in this something will be cancelled, that is nu 2 by v1, and the nu 2 by v1 will be cancelled. And here in the right side, here we have the mu 2 minus mu 1 hit here, mu 2 minus mu 1, this is mu 1 minus mu 2. Okay, and this equation will be written as like this. Here mu 1 by u, here mu 1 by v is there, mu 1 is common at here, then we will get 1 by v minus 1 by u we will get. That is equal to, on the right side we can common the mu 2 minus mu 1, then we will get 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 we will get. Okay, in the next step, this is considered as equation okay, this is considered as equation 3, but we know one thing, that 1 by v minus 1 by u is object distance and v is the image distance, v is the final image distance. Then the 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Now you take the screenshot and note it. I am going to erase and continue. Now I am going to continue. That is, look here very carefully. And the last equation we have something we common, that is nu 1. Then 1 by v minus 1 by u we will get as 1 by f, that is nu 1 by f. On the right side what is remains? Nu 2 minus nu 1 is common. Then we will get 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 we will get. Now we can take this new one to right side. Then we will get the next equation as 1 by f is equal to nu 2 minus nu 1 by nu 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 we will get. Now let us go for some more simplification, and at this step how you got that also I will write. Since 1 by b minus 1 by u is equal to, we have 1 by f. And now let us simplify this. 1 by f is equal to, we write as nu 2 by nu 1 minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 we have to write. Now this nu 2 by nu 1 we write as 1 nu 2, 1 mu 2 we write, minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. This is the final equation, and this is called as the Lensmaker's formula. This is equation 4, and this is called as Lensmaker's formula. What is this? Lensmaker's formula. While designing the lens with certain focal length, we have to use this formula. That is a Lensmaker's formula. And now what is f in this? F is the focal length in the terms. If you will go, f is the focal length of the lens. Focal length. And what is R1, R2? R1, R2 are the radius of curvatures. R1, R2 are the radius of curvatures. Radius of curvatures of two surfaces. And now, what is 1 nu 2? 1 nu 2 is nu 2 by nu 1. Right? That is equal to, that is called as refractive index of second medium. What is second medium in the figure? Refractive index of second medium. With respect to first medium. But what is the second medium? Second medium is the lens. We write the refractive index of the lens with respect to the medium in which the lens is placed. Refractive index of the material of lens with respect to medium. What is nu 2 at here if you want, right? That is the refractive index of material of lens. Lens is made with certain material, that refractive index. Refractive index of material of lens. What is mu 1? Mu 1 is the refractive index of medium in which the lens is placed. Okay? And for example, this we can also write the equation like this. That is 1 by f is equal to 1 we write as medium into nu, 2 we write as lens, minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 we have to write. Okay, right. This is about lens maker's formula. We discuss few cases in this. Okay, take the screenshot and note it. Listen it here. We know thin lens formula. What is the thin lens formula? Thin lens formula. That is 1 by f is equal, we know, 1 by v minus 1 by u. And we also know lens maker formula. Yes, lens maker's formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 nu 2 minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Okay. While applying above formulas, while applying above formulas, you must apply, you must apply sign convention rules. What we have to apply? Sign convention rules we have to apply. Now for that purpose, what we have to do it here? Let us start. We will apply for the case one, that is for equiconvex lens, right? For equiconvex lens, how you apply the sign convention rules? Equiconvex lens means they have the equal radius of curvatures. Look at here. This is the lens. Now, this is the first surface, right? You know this. This is the first surface, and this is the second surface. Form a sphere by using a first surface. Let us form a sphere. This is a sphere by using second surface. Sorry, first surface. This sphere center is called as the center of curvature. This sphere, that radius, this is called as radius of curvature, that is R1. Okay. For the second surface also you form a sphere. Its center of curvature is C2. Its radius, this sphere radius is R2. R2. Okay. Equiconvex lens. Equiconvex lens means the radius of curvatures must be equal. But according to sign convention, we write here. According to sign convention, what we write? R1 is right side. That's why we have to write R1 as plus R. And R2 is the left side. That's why minus R we have to write. Then equation will become like this. 1 by F is equal to 1 nu 2 minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This will be changes like this. That is 1 by F is equal to 1 nu 2 minus 1 into 1 by R minus R1 is R and R2 is 1 by minus R. Then we will get 1 by F is equal to 1 nu 2 minus 1 into 2 by R. From this, if you want to write the F formula also we can write. If you want, we can write the focal length formula also. Yes, the focal length of the lens you will get is R by 2 of 1 u2 minus 1. This is for equiconvex lens. Like this we have to apply. For example, if you go for the plano-convex lens, how you will get? How to apply for the plano-convex lens? If you go for the plano-convex lens, this is the plano-convex lens. Look here. One side plane is there. This is the plane. Other side first convex surface is there. This is the convex surface. Let us take this is a principal axis. You form a sphere based on this by using this. Just form a sphere. For the first surface, I am forming a sphere. This is the sphere. The sphere center is this one, C1. Its radius of curvature is R1. That is R1. Okay. You see here. This is R1. For the second surface, if you form a sphere, the sphere will be, it is second surface is plane. For the plane, if you form the sphere, it will form with infinite radius. It will go in straight. Then we write the conditions for the plano-convex lens. R1 is plus R. R2 is infinite. Okay, R2 is infinite. Then you substitute. Then we will get 1 by F is equal to 1 u2 minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This formula we have to apply. Then finally we will get one equation, that is 1 by F is equal to 1 u2 minus 1 into 1 by R we will get. From this, if you want the F formula, F is the focal length of the lens. Focal length we will get is R by 1 u2 minus 1. Like this, we can also apply for the others, concave lens and others, right? And if you go for the concave lens, what happens? This is a concave lens. And for the first surface, if you form a sphere by using first surface, it will come left side. This is the first surface. And the R1 is left side. And R2 we are getting right side. For the second surface, that's where R2 you have to take as positive. That means in case of concave, R1 is negative and R2 is positive. Okay, right. And now take the screenshot and note it. Let us go for one problem. What is the refractive index of material of plano-convex lens? We have to find out the refractive index. If the radius of curvature of the convex lens is 10 centimeters, the radius they gave in the question 10 centimeters, radius of curvature of plano-convex lens. And the focal length of the lens they gave is 30 centimeters. They are asking to find the radius of refractive index of lens. Refractive index of lens. Then how to find out the refractive index of lens? Then for the purpose, let us see here, this is a plano-convex lens. Plano-convex lens. One side plane it is there, other side convex surface is there. So let it is said to be plano-convex lens. In case of convex lens, you remember that the focal length is positive always. For the first surface, radius of curvature also positive. That's why we are taking the plus. The focal length is positive. That's why we are taking the plus. Refractive index of lens, we have to find out what is the refractive index of material of lens. The radius of curvature of convex lens is 10 centimeters and the focal length is 30 centimeters, and in this case the lens is in air medium. Remember that lens is in air medium. Lens is in air medium, that means surrounding medium is air. Then let us start. Refractive index of lens we have to find out. The refractive index of medium, refractive index of medium we know that the medium is air medium. We have to take it as 1. Then we have the formula for the focal length, 1 by f is equal to refractive index of lens with respect to medium minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 we have to take. It's a plano convex lens, that's why r1 is positive, okay, r1 is plus r, and but r2 is infinite because it is a plano convex lens. The second surface has the radius of curvature that is infinite. R2 is infinite. R1 in theory we discussed, right? The R1 is right side. The R1 is positive we have. R1 is 10 centimeters. Now we substitute all values it here. The focal length is 30 centimeters. 1 by 30 is equal. This we write is refractive index of lens by refractive index of medium, right? Minus 1 into 1 by R1. R1 is 10 minus 1 by infinite. Then this we will get like this. That is 1 by 30 is equal to refractive index of lens minus 1 into 1 by 10 we will get 0 0 cancel, and the refractive index of lens minus 1 is we will get is 1 by 3, and the refractive index of lens we will get is 1 plus 1 by 3 we will get is 4 by 3. This is the answer.